Yay! All right. Let's see. We will continue with our lesson, okay?
Yes.
All right. So I will share my screen and let's continue. Can you see the book now?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
So let's start. Can you see?
Yes.
All right. So I have here a picture. See? Then let's read this sentence based on the picture. All right?
Yes.
Great. So please read again the first sentence.
Dogs have a kite.
All right. John has a kite. How about you, Lucy? Do you have a kite?
No.
Oh, who will play kites? Who will play kites? Boys or girls? Look at the picture. Is John a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Boy. So, let's see. Most boys play kites, alright? Most boys play kites. Okay? How about you, Lucy? Do you like to play a kite?
Yes.
Wow. Alright. How about the second picture? Can you see the bird? Okay. Let's read the sentence based on the picture, Lucy. Come on, go. Mimi
Mimi
have
has a dog.
right. Dogs.
Dogs. She have a kite.
Right. Does she have a kite?
Does she have a sky?
Does she have a
Does she have a kite?
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 Okay.
No. She
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 does not.
she does not.
Okay. So Mimi has a doll. Can you see the doll of Mimi?
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Lucy? Do you have a doll? Do you have a doll?
Yes.
How many?
How many?
How many do you have?
Two.
Wow. Do you like dolls?
Two.
Oh, so you will say, I have 2 dolls. Again?
I have 2 dogs.
Okay, you say like me. Again, I will ask you, how many dolls do you have?
I I have 2 dogs.
Yay! Very good. So in the picture, how many dogs can you see in the picture?
Búp bê con nhìn ở trên ảnh.
In the picture, how many dogs can you see?
1.
Okay, you say, I can see 1 dog.
Cho con
I can see 1 dog.
Very good. I will give you a very big smiley. This is for you, Lucy. Good job. Yay. Do you like it?
First mine.
You say thank you, teacher. All right.
Nhìn thấy cái picture.
Lucy,
Hỏi quá thôi, câu hỏi lại.
can you see a kite in the picture number 2? Can you see a kite? Yes or no?
Cái diều không?
Yeah. No.
No, she does not. Again? No.
No, she do not.
Yes, very good. Now let's let's have picture number 3, right?
Hình thứ 3.
What animal is this, Lucy?
Con nhìn thấy con vật gì
Are
đấy?
you familiar? Do you know what animal is this?
Con bò mà. Bò là gì?
Oh,
Cow.
yeah. What is Vietnamese cow? Bò.
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 Yes.
Bò. Bò. What is the color?
What color gì nhỉ?
What color? Orange. Okay. So Lucy, does the cow have a tail? Do you understand tail?
No.
Does the cow have a tail?
Đuôi.
Lucy, does the cow has a tail?
Con bò có đuôi không?
Yes.
All right. Where? Is this a tail? Yes or no?
Có theo.
Is this a tail?
Đó, đó. Kìa, cô chỉ cái này phải là theo không? No.
No.
Is this a tail?
Không.
No.
No. Is this a tail?
Kìa, cô chỉ chưa phải đến 10 điểm.
Is
Yes.
this a yeah, very good. Okay, so again, does the cow have a tail? Yes.
Yes. Is
It. Yes, it does. Again, does the cow have a tail?
No.
yes. Is
It. Yeah. Yes, it does. Again, repeat. Yes.
Đọc nhanh.
yes.
It.
Is the
Yes, it does.
yes. It does.
All right. Does it have a hat? Do you know hat?
No.
Có cái
No.
mũ.
No.
Okay, does the cow has a hat?
No. Is
No.
house is
It.
the
Đưa gì?
the
No.
not
It does not. All right. Can you imagine a cow with a hat? So it's a no, all right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's repeat one more time from number 1, Lucy. Begin. John
John.
Đọc đi.
John had a kite.
Okay, who has a kite?
Ai có
Lucy, who
cái
has
diều
a kite?
bạn ấy tên là gì hả? Vừa đọc đấy
Who
ai có cái
has
diều?
a kite?
Ross.
Yay! Very good. It's a wow. Good job, Lucy. John. John has a kite. All right. Continue. Does he have a kite?
John had kite.
Does he have a kite?
John has kite.
Answer. Yes. Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Number 2.
Mimi has
Mimi
doll.
has a doll. Does
he
she
have she have a
kite?
kite?
All right. No.
No, she does not.
Does not.
Do not.
Does the cow? Last, number 3. Go.
Đọc lại.
Does
The cow have a
tail?
tail?
Tail.
Yes, is
It.
the
Yes, it does.
yes is the
Does it have a hat?
the is my house.
Does it have a hat?
Đọc lại.
The is have a hat.
Hat?
Hat.
Yes. No.
No, is
It
it
does.
does not.
Yay! Very good. All right. So Lucy. Okay, I want to say thank you. All right. Thank you so much, Lucy.
Thank you everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you also, Mr. Hi. Kung.
Yeah, thank you. See
Yes,
you.
thank you. Yeah, good night. Say good night. Good night, Lucy.
Good night, Manu.
Yes, Manu.
Manu teacher. Teacher Manu.
Yeah, teacher Marilu.